Every day, your immune system fights silent battles to keep you healthy. But are you giving it what it needs to win? Instead of relying only on pills or supplements, what if you can naturally strengthen your body's defenses starting today? Start with water. Staying well hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your lymph system running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Herbal teas like ginger or green tea can add a powerful immune boost too. Eat the rainbow. Bright fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Add more oranges, spinach, carrots, berries, and bell peppers to your plate. Exercise doesn't just tone your body, it boosts your immune cells too. A 20-30 minute walk, yoga session, or simple home workout each day keeps your circulation flowing and immune system alert. Your body repairs and recharges during sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. No screen time before bed. A cool room and a consistent sleep schedule help your immune system work at full power. Chronic stress weakens your immune defenses. Practice deep breathing, journaling, or spend time in nature. A calm mind supports a strong body. Did you know 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? Probiotic foods like yogurt, kimchi, and fiber-rich meals support gut health, and that keeps your immune response strong. Start small. Pick one habit today and build from there. A stronger immune system begins with small daily choices. Subscribe for more daily health tips. Your body will thank you.